Hey there! So, imagine you're working on a project and you encounter a problem. In this case, you're dealing with a scenario where you have objects stored in an unordered map that can chain together logically. You created a linked-to-list-like structure within the map, where each object holds a reference to the next object in the chain. The issue at hand is that you want to have a helper method that can follow this linked list within the map and return pointers to the following objects in a vector. Now, the challenge here is to achieve this in a way that avoids code duplication and handles both mutable and constant versions of the map. Sounds like a bit of a puzzle, right? So, the solution to this problem involves a clever use of templates. By utilizing template hackery, you can create a single method that handles both mutable and constant versions of the map. The provided code snippet showcases how you can achieve this. By using a template with a type parameter, you can define a method that works for any type of map passed to it. This method iterates through the linked list of objects, retrieves the next object from the map, and populates a vector with pointers to these objects. This approach not only eliminates code duplication, but also provides a flexible and efficient solution to the problem at hand. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your map traversal needs. Building upon the template-based solution, if you're using C++ 20 or newer, you can further enhance the code by restricting the template parameter. By adding a constraint that ensures the template type is the expected constant map type, you can improve code readability and catch potential errors at compile time. This refinement adds an extra layer of robustness to the solution, making it even more reliable and maintainable in the long run. It's like adding an extra layer of security to your code, ensuring that everything runs smoothly without unexpected surprises popping up along the way. In summary, by leveraging the power of templates and template constraints, you can create a versatile and efficient method for traversing linked objects within an unordered map. This approach not only simplifies your code base by avoiding duplication, but also enhances its clarity and reliability. So, next time you're faced with a similar challenge in your projects, remember the template trick up your sleeve. And with that, happy coding, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Who knows, maybe your next project will be as smooth as this template solution.